Welcome. If you've ever wanted a quick way to find all the voice messages shared in a Telegram group on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, accessing voice messages in groups has never been easier. Let's walk through the simple steps to help you locate those audio messages without endless scrolling. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats and groups. Find the group where you want to view all the voice messages. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. After you've found the group, click on it to open the conversation. Now, look towards the top of the group chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's contact info panel where you can see details and settings related to that group. Within this contact info section, look for the option labeled voice messages or something similar depending on your Telegram version. Clicking this will take you to a neatly organized list of every voice message shared within the group. Here you can listen to any voice message directly, making it easy to catch up on important audio without hunting through individual chats. This feature is super handy if you want to review meeting notes, project updates, or just catch up on conversations without scrolling endlessly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you have immediate access to all the voice messages in any Telegram group on your PC. It's a great way to stay organized and keep tabs on the audio content that matters most to you. Give this feature a try and make your Telegram experience smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching.